If you're passionate about injury and illness prevention, wellness promotion, and helping others, a career in athletic training may be the right fit for you. The Master of Science in Athletic Training degree program aims to prepare graduates for employment as athletic trainers in a wide range of settings. Whether you hope to work in secondary schools, colleges, and universities, rehabilitation clinics and hospitals, as well as emergent settings in amateur and professional sports, this program will help equip you with the skills you need to serve others as an athletic trainer. You can gain expertise in key areas such as examination, assessment, and diagnosis of medical conditions, along with therapeutic intervention and immediate and emergency care. These hands-on skills are critical for the role of an athletic trainer. In addition to clinical skills, you can learn important concepts in healthcare administration and professional responsibility. These topics help you assess your readiness for leadership roles in the industry. Start your journey toward becoming a licensed athletic trainer and make a difference in the lives of others. Visit gcu.edu/MSAT to learn more about our Master of Science in Athletic Training program today.